Hello, and how are you? I'm Mr. Ngige, your technical trainer. I'm going to take you through our lesson 2, text in a drawing. So in this activity, we are going to enter single line text, and we are going to look at two commands. One is what we call the DTEXT and DDEDIT. So ensure that at the end of this lesson, you are able to differentiate between DDTEXT and DDEDIT. DTEXT command, it places individual lines of text in a drawing and allows you to see each letter as it is typed. So how do we enter it? In a command line, type DTEXT, then enter. Then the angle of rotation, enter 0, then press enter. So this is how it looks like on AutoCAD. DDEDIT. The DDEDIT commands involves a dialog box for editing single line text. It allows you to edit the character, not the height or style. It is useful command when you want to edit misspelled word in a single line text. So how do we enter? The command line type DDEDIT, press enter. Then the edit pop-ups comes in, and there you can select your object. So allow me to take you through these commands. But before we do that, we are going to insert a table so that I show you how to enter also text in a title block. And that is what we did our video 1. So kindly watch our lesson 1. So basic commands for typical setup: click, snap, it's on, grid, so it shows us to see these dots, and also type, zoom, then enter, then choose all. You can see all, choose all, then you press enter. This is what you want, but because of we want also to, I also want to demonstrate, can you go to a model paper, then that's what pops up. So to insert a table, we said you type table, then you say enter. So it gives us options of setting the number of columns. You can say 2, and the other one is 4 rows. Then we can say just okay. So it tells us to specify a first corner. You can specify our first corner as so we can specify a first corner as that. Then we can choose our second corner as that. Then you press OK. So, but you can see it's down. So our option is now to move it up. So you select it. Then here there is this icon called the move. So specify base point. We want this one to be our base point. Then we can move up. Again, this one didn't work very well. So we select it. We select the whole diagram. Then you move it to that point. And you can press enter. So this one is also not a very good one. So I am not interested with this. So I can just type undo. So this one, enter. Undo. So let me choose erase. go to modify, then I erase that one. I don't want it, so I escape. So again I write table, so just choose OK. So this time around you are not going to make mistake. No room for mistake. So also the base point, we also select this one, we move it, it's misbehaving. So again we select it, then specify the base point, then yes, that one, that's what we wanted. So I hope you are together. So let's perform the text. So we can choose the kind of text we want. We want, for example, Times New Roman. So type New Roman, then you just say name. For example, call your name. My name is Francisco Ngige. Francisco Ngige. So I also want to identify with my institution. So I say J institution. It's Jeremiah Naga. So JNNP. So it's also good to write it in full, Jeremiah Naga. But for our case, allow me just to write the initials. Then registration number. Registration number. That of JNNP, so we can say EE 01. Then we can say 20. Admission 100. So that's you. So the next thing is you can enter title. Title is text. Then you can also choose the date. The date. What's the date? Our date is 3rd, 2nd, 2025. Then having put all those details, now this is how a table should look like. So there's something we missed here. This one should be very aligned. So ensure when you're working, you align it. So allow me to go to DTEXT. I type DTEXT. So specify start point. You can specify that. Specify the height. I can specify the height. The one written there, I just press enter. The rotation is 0. So this is what we call the DTEXT. So I can write inside that. I can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I press each, and then so that's how. Then the next thing is just I click outside and press enter. Now I also want to demonstrate the DDI text, so I'm going to type DTEXT, then I enter, then specify start point. So again I type enter. So here I want to demonstrate DTEXT. So maybe I have written these numbers, and maybe I write ABC. Remember, after putting that one, you press enter, press outside and then enter. The next thing is to change. If I want to space this one or to edit, just write DDEDIT. So select the object that. What do I want to do with the object? I want to space. And since I don't want this text thing, I just need to delete everything. Then I press outside. Then I click escape to mean that I don't want that. So I hope I have managed to demonstrate how to enter text and also how to use DTEXT and DDEDIT. So enjoy this video. I have enjoyed demonstrating to you. I'm your trainer, Mr. Ngige. So before we meet for our next class, kindly do the following in our lab. So if you have liked the video, remember to share the video, also like the video, and also subscribe. Thank you very much for giving me the chance to train you. Thank you.